What is content blocking and why can it be the key for you to grow your personal brand? Listen up. So, some of you may be familiar with the concept of time blocking. This is where you set aside certain parts of your day or parts of your week to focus solely on one task and you don't do other tasks during that. It's really helpful because it prevents context switching or multitasking, which doesn't allow us to dive deep into a topic. So, we want to basically take that and apply it to content. You want to set up 90 minutes each week to work on your content and go for quantity, not quality. So if you've read the book The Atomic Habits or Atomic Habits by James Clear, you may be familiar with the photograph or the photography class case study. This is where students in a photography class were assigned to take pictures with one of two objectives. One, the first group was to go after quality or perfection in photos. The other group was assigned to go after quantity or just take as many pictures as possible. At the end of the experiment, they found out that the group that went for quantity actually came out with better quality photos because they were able to hone their skills and take more versus the group that was letting the pursuit of perfectionism get in their way. So I want you to apply this when you're doing your content block. Don't judge on quality, just create as much content as possible. Then you can always step away, come back, and edit later. This allows you to dive deep on a topic, which will provide key fortification and repetition for your audience in learning concepts that you want to teach. Remember, it's not often skill or creativity that prevents us from building our personal brand. It's lack of preparation that bleeds into lack of consistency. So when you implement content blocking, you're getting ahead of the game.